Hi everyone, I'm Rana Nasser here again here. This is from eggs to make the chapli kebab. It's like the desi hub. Again, very top in a festival. They have the Mughlai and Matubak. Okay, that's the chapli kebab. That's the chapli, and he's the boss of here, and he is from Faisalabad. He still need to go to drama for the Jugas Bazi, and I request him because he already said to me because the Faisalabad is very famous for the comedian things and Jugat Bazi. And guys, everyone like it because that's a new thing here in the chapli kebab. And no one bring it here before. This one is chapli kebab, and he have favorite food. What they call it? Okay, all right. This one is with on the coals, and no other people they just do on the gas. So, okay, there was he's a killer. He's a kill the chicken. He's like a best man. Yes, show me now. It's a good practice. Sorry. And it's a bit sorry. And this is very nice. He make it very yummy, and yummy chicken and kebabs as well. But he have the good one because all other people they're not doing on the gas, and he doing the coals. So that's real taste of the Pakistan. And everybody need to remember this is the Desi Hub, and Shera Urf Jamshed Bhai is a boss here, and he's the best cricketer. Is the best Lakemba, the squares. Yeah, and I will show you something front of there. Sorry, and this is we just come here to review because the food's here, and then and he have the best samosas as well. Okay, jalebi, samosa, and everything is good because everybody need to love it. And what's the neighbor making? Okay, it's another one. Chicken kachori, pakora, chicken tikka, spring roll, dahi bale with the naan, salad, mince, veggie samosa, and everything good. MashaAllah, everything good. We can like it. We will go to eat inshallah inside, so we love it. So thank you guys. It's Rana Nasser again here. I will see you soon. Thank you. And this is the beauty of the Ramadan. Everybody need to be blessed and practice good one. So people need to come here and enjoy the food. I love it.